Just for YouTube, this one I want to film for YouTube. Sometimes I don't bother about the units that go on. Normally I like to film my tramways for fun. I mean, life is easy when you're thinking where you want to go. Just plan things in advance.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Addleston.
Actually, if I get back before you know, I'll try out Hanover. There it goes.
This train is now approaching Addleston. Passengers wishing to leave the train at the next station must be in the front 8 coaches.
And everyone's allowed to have sleepovers. They're allowed. Not just a... Yeah. So we don't see that. Put you on my bed. Yeah, how much is it for? Okay. You got your independence just in case today? Yeah, perfect. See, well, tonight, huh? Thank you. You know what? I think it's better to have fun, you know. Okay, fine. I think you're open to technical. You're right, I am. Fine. You two enjoy yourselves. But don't get too much worries, huh? Please remember to take all your personal items with you when you leave the train. I bet more crazy when the challenges we had to go to. I mean, I found them a bit too much over the roof.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Chertsey.
Hey Hannah, yo, let me. Yeah, so Jesus made some. Oh, how come you can't do that? It's my mum. She's like,
This train is now approaching Chertsey.
but I'm just glad that skiing holiday 2000 was out of the way. If I definitely do that again, But the weddings again, I'm definitely not going to face that weird one again. What we talked about last time. For now on, past, future, and present, I'm going back to day trips. It's more better. I don't care in case how far is it to go. You can't even for a day out in Buxton, remember? Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, me too. But do you plan to go to Buxton this weekend? This weekend? This Saturday? Yeah, actually, why not? I'm happy to join. Good. Don't forget it's only a day trip. Yep, got that. Alright. How are you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, certainly, sir. Give me a sec. Just a little with me. Okay, on it. There you go.
Have you got a haircut?
Oh, I just just give me a look at this thing. There you go, it's automatic thing. Okay, it's down the bottom. Voila. Because I've got a lot of wraps on my
This is Chertsey. Please remember to
There you
take
go.
all your personal items with you when you leave the train.
Where's the eating book aside? Oh, my big boy. Wow, what a big fat. So that's a way to play baseball.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Virginia Water.
Yeah, I might book first off to go on that steam tour actually. Do that one, if you remember the circuit of that tour. One point, oh yeah, I remember that. And then that didn't go well because it was placed by Diesel, wasn't it? Indeed. They should have postponed that one. What I wanted to do to have it on the 28th, just have a week off work so I can go visit the West Highland Line. But actually, it won't be too bad.
This train is now approaching Virginia Water.
That's over the
Passengers wishing to leave the
M25.
train at the next station must be in the front 6 coaches.
And the other one's the M3. I just hope next Christmas, next thought part maybe we can try again. But this time make sure we don't get any weird angry grown-ups being so grumpy and moody. The worst thing I hate was when One thing was highlighted me when I went to York for the day. Maybe twice. It was brilliant. But things just get a bit comical when design gets in the way. He had no rights wanting us to do that, you know. And then, do you remember when you started getting away from my outing and then he just... Yeah, I remember that. And he got in the way. You don't understand it was my choice what I was doing. I was just trying to put food in my...
Passing as I like now, Virginia Water, please let me show you a line from the front 6 coaches of this 8-boat drive leading to the shop platform. Virginia Water for services to asphalt already. Also, passengers require bus services. London Waterloo via Richmond. Please change your Virginia Water and cross over to platform number 1. Virginia Water next stop. Please mind the step down trying to the platform.
Yeah, this is which you're from a loop. You can see behind the trees there. One thing I want to see is when the Save Virginia Water tries to pop on the day of engineering works. I don't know when that will be yet. One thing I just...
This is Virginia Water. Please remember to take all your personal items with you.
Yeah, I've got red now, so this is to wait for the... Yeah. And these are 24 minutes past, so Oscar needs a father because he doesn't understand anything about trades. Well, nice to get all the train numbers.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Ugh.